to another episode of Roaming Fruits, and today we are coming at you from Brooklyn in New York in the United States of America. And in this episode we would basically be going around the city of New York. A very limited time to spend in the city of New York, then we head to Washington DC. So we would sort of use the day for strolling, and we'll probably see Times Square. We have no other idea where we'll be going. No idea which other place we'll be heading to. We might just take the train service in New York and see how it compares to Europe, where we came from. So yeah, we would also probably have some Jamaican food. We're thinking about it. So we might just go around Flatbush, Brooklyn, and see where we can get something similar. So yeah, welcome to today's episode, and please do not forget to click on the like button for this video, and also kindly do subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. In the morning, and we'll probably go get something to eat from this Caribbean restaurant right here. So yeah, maybe we could specifically ask for Jamaican. Never had Jamaican food before. We'll be interested to try for the first time, We had some rice and peas and probably some oxtail and goat meat, and it looks like quite a lot, so hopefully it's as delicious as it looks. Done with the food and trying to test the transport system in New York City. So we're trying to go to the train station first using dollar tags, as they call it, and apparently you can't use your bank card on them. You have to get cash. So we're trying to get ourselves an ATM machine where we could withdraw some dollars to pay on the dollar taxes, and then we head back straight to the train station. Finally dropped out of the dollar taxi and heading to the train station. So hopefully we'll find it. I'm actually curious to see how different it is from the ones we have in Europe. So here are some machines where you could top up your Metro card and use it on the train lines. So yeah, going by line 3 of the train line 3 to Times Square, which is supposed to be about 30 minutes according to the map. So let's get it going.
Closing doors, please.
So we're finally at the stop for Times Square, I think. It's called 42nd Street stop. One thing that surprised me pleasantly, as I might say, is the efficiency of the train system. I was sort of pleasantly surprised. The impression some of us have in Europe is that the American train system is practically non-existent, and even if it isn't that efficient. But probably I speak for myself. That impression I sort of had. So I decided to probably try it out today, and I must say that I was sort of pleasantly surprised. It's quite efficient, So yeah, from this train station we had to take a shuttle to the Times Square, which is quite surprising for me because I thought that we would just get out of the train station and then hit the Times Square, but we had to take a shuttle first, so yeah. Alright, here are the Times Square. It's quite a rainy day, but that doesn't stop us from coming out to give you guys the content you need. It's been quite a rainy day and sort of affecting how much good content we're able to give you on this episode. So we'll try the best we can to give a bit more. It's been a very rainy day and the weather forecast shows that it's going to rain all day. So this limits the amount of content or how much we can roam the city of New York. So we'll probably do that some other time. So for now, this is where we would end today's episode. And thanks for coming along and watching so far. Please do like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much, and with love from Times Square in New York City.